The Toyota Tacoma is the best-selling mid-sized pickup in America. With minor changes including larger seats and redesigned radio controls, this popular all-around workhorse remains basically the same for 2007. With a 159 horsepower 2.7-liter inline-4 and 236 horsepower 4.0-liter V6, the Tacoma has a variety of drivetrain options. Two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and 4 available transmissions, a 4-speed automatic, 5-speed automatic, 5-speed manual, and 6-speed manual give you a bevy of choices on regular cab, access cab, or double cab frames. Mileage estimates range from 18 in the city to 28 on the highway. Pricing for the 2007 Tacoma starts at $14,180 for a regular cab base model and ranges up to $28,000 plus for a loaded-up double cab. The versatility of the 2007 Toyota Tacoma is what makes it such a great value. Whether commuting to work or hauling camping gear off-road, the '07 Toyota Tacoma gets the job done in style.